In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the Echo 12 shotgun in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and get into the gunsmith for your weapon, go up to this customize tab and into this camo section, specifically into the multiplayer tab right here, and here's where you're going to find all of your camo challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to Arclight. Now there is quite a bit of prerequisites. You do have to get shattered gold here on the Echo 12, but on top of that you do have to get shattered gold on 3 total shotguns here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. If you want guides on these, I have guides on every single shattered gold strategy for every single shotgun, so I highly recommend checking out those videos first, because that's going to include all of the military camos and the special camos as well, breaking down the exact method to get those as quickly as possible. But moving on to Arclight though, assuming that you already have shattered gold on all of the shotguns, you just need to get 10 double kills or better with the Echo 12. Now overall, this does seem like it could be a little bit challenging, but it really isn't. The method is pretty simple. You just need to go ahead and load into hardpoint on smaller maps. Smaller maps is the key for this, but hardpoint in general is going to work. Essentially, just sit right outside of that objective or even right inside of the objective, and as the other team is pushing into the objective, go ahead and kill 2 people in quick succession, and you'll go ahead and get your first double kill, and then repeat this 10 times. This should only take 1 to 2 games max if we're being realistic. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.